Starting your own landscaping business can be an exciting journey towards independence, especially if you enjoy being outdoors and working with nature. As a landscaper, you have the freedom to choose when and where you work, how much you charge, and who you work with. Even with just a handful of clients, you can start making good money, invest in better equipment, and take on bigger projects. Let's break down how you can get started in simple steps. First, let's understand why start a landscaping business. People always need help with their yards and outdoor spaces, so there's a constant demand for landscaping services. This means you'll have a reliable source of income throughout the year. You don't need a lot of money to get started. With just a few basic tools and a vehicle, you can launch your business. Plus, you can start small and expand gradually as your business grows. Running a landscape business gives you the freedom to set your own schedule, choose your clients, and decide which services to offer. Whether you prefer to work locally or take on bigger projects, the choice is yours. Now, how much does it cost to start? Starting with equipment. The cost of starting a landscape business can vary a lot depending on your budget and what you want to do. You might need anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 for a small business, or even more for a bigger one. The biggest expense will likely be buying the equipment you need. This could include things like lawnmowers, trimmers, and a truck to carry everything. All of this can add up to thousands of dollars, but you can save money by borrowing or renting equipment instead of buying it all at once. Standard landscaping equipment includes a lawnmower, rake, shovel, weed whacker, leaf blower, clippers and pruning shears, fertilizing equipment, hoe, lawn aerator, eye and ear protection, buckets, hedge trimmer, and gardening gloves. Licenses and insurance. You'll need to get a business license and insurance to operate legally and protect yourself and your business. The costs vary depending on your location and the services you offer. Now, let's move on to 7 easy steps to get started. Step 1. Decide what services you'll offer. Consider whether you want to focus on lawn care or offer a wider range of landscaping services. Think about your skills and the needs of your community. Typical landscaping services include planting, installing sod, hardscaping work such as installing water features, pavers, concrete, and retaining walls, foundation planting, ponds and outdoor patios, garden sculptures, driveways for vehicles, mulching, landscaping design. Step 2. Set up your business. Choose a business structure like a sole proprietorship or a limited liability company and register your business name. This will determine how you pay taxes and protect your personal assets. Step 3. Get the right licenses and permits. Check with your local government to find out what licenses and permits you need to operate legally. You'll also need insurance to protect yourself and your business. Step 4. Figure out your prices. Research what other landscapers in your area are charging and consider your expenses when setting your prices. Decide whether you'll charge by the hour, project, or square foot. Step 5. Get organized. Use project management software to keep track of your clients, schedule jobs, and send invoices. This will help you stay organized and professional as your business grows. Step 6. Get your equipment. Make a list of the tools and equipment you need and decide whether to buy or rent them. Start with the basics and invest in more equipment as your business expands. And Step 7. Find your first clients. Spread the word about your business to friends, family, and neighbors. You can also advertise online, distribute flyers, or join local business networks to attract new customers. Once you've launched your landscaping business, focus on building your reputation and expanding your client base. Use social media, a website, and online marketplaces to market your services and attract new customers. With dedication and hard work, your landscaping business can thrive and provide you with the freedom and fulfillment you desire.